The seven C's of communication is significant, and for effective communication, everybody should follow the seven C's of communication. There are seven C's in communication, which is known as the guiding principles of communication. These seven C's ensure better communication. The seven C's are clarity, completeness, correctness, conciseness, concreteness, consideration, and courtesy. The figure demonstrates the seven C's of communication. An ambiguous message will not be able to make effective communication. When the subject matter is clearly presented, communication becomes effective. So, for the better communication, clarity is must. Here, clarity means getting the meaning of messages accurately from the sender to the receiver. Clarity of communication can be achieved by using simple words, single words, short sentences, and by using concrete expression. Also, for the clarity, the sender should avoid all kinds of the jargon words and should avoid double entry, and he or she should prefer active construction. The message should not be partial or incomplete. But the question is why? Because incomplete messages create confusion or irritate the receivers. But complete message contains all necessary facts and information which helps the reader or the receiver to understand the message properly and adequately. The receiver should get a clear idea about the subject matter. Any wrong information in the message may create the confusions. As a result, communication failure may occur. The facts and information provided in the message should be accurate and correct languages. Using of the right form of language, sending the message at correct time, sending the message in correct style, and checking accuracy of figures, fact, and words before transmitting them can ensure the correctness of the message. Concise means saying to receiver in a few possible words, meaning that a message should be as short as possible. It saves time and expense for both sender and receiver. The business executives do not have much time to go through a long message, and the reader or the receiver may feel disturbed in receiving a long message. But the sender has to remember that the necessary information should be given in the message. So, eliminating wordy expression and eliminating surplus words, it's possible to achieve the conciseness of a message. Concreteness is one of the seven C's of communication. Concrete means exactness, specific, definite, or vivid rather than vague or general. Business communication use words that form sharp and clear meanings in receivers or readers' minds. There are some guidelines that can help to write concrete messages. The guidelines are: use specific facts and figures, use verbs that indicate action, and choose vivid and image-building words. To develop the effective message, the sender should consider the problems, desire, circumstances, emotion, and probable reaction of the receiver. Here, the sender should focus on you instead of I and we. Should avoid insensitive you. Emphasize positive and pleasant facts, and also should apply integrity and ethics. Courtesy involves being aware of the perspective of others and their feelings. Writing or speaking in conversational tone emphasizes on receiver's viewpoint and carefully selecting positive words which will generate courtesy. To maintain courtesy in communication, answer the letter promptly, be sincere, tactful, and thoughtful. Single out the reader by name. Avoid anger. Avoid irritated expression. Use expression that shows respect. And avoid discriminatory expression.